Sister Morphine. How long have I been lying here? What am I doing in this place? Why does the doctor have no faith? I tell you, I can't crawl across the floor. Can't you say, Sister Morphine, I'm just trying to stroll. Just goes to show things are not what they seem. Tell me, Sister Morphine, can my nightmares turn into dread? Oh, can't you see I'm fading fast? This shot will be my last. Please, cousin cocaine, lay your cool hand on my head. Morphine, will you make up my bed? 'Cause you know, and I know, in the morning I'll be dead. Now you can sit around, now you can work, all the clean white sheets staying red. Okay, we got one. We haven't done this one for a very long time. We got this one out of the rack and dusted it off and do it for you. This one called Live With Me.